All right, so if you are choosing to use Blender, if you have a computer that can run it, I just wanted to show you that you can still put together your shots after you render them. You don't need to have iMovie. Although you probably have a video editor somewhere on your computer, if you downloaded Blender, you can also use their video editing option. And all you have to do is go to the video editing tab. If you don't see it, just click on that plus and you'll go to, find video editing. Just go to the one that says video editing and you'll get sort of a screen and the timeline. So it looks very similar to iMovie and it works pretty much the same way. There's a few things that are slightly different. So I'm just going to walk you through putting a movie in here, putting some sound in here, and maybe putting a title in there. So movies. I'm just going to use one that I already rendered. Here's Dolly Zoom. I can just drag it in. There it is. And you can hit play just like you normally would. Again, this is after I render it. Now, sound. You also can drag in sound. I have a sound effect, I believe, in my downloads. So I'm just going to find that. Here it is. Drag that in. Again, nice and easy to drop it and move it to where you need it. And then titles. You can also add titles. And let's see. I'm going to just go to the add menu up here. And then I will go to text. And here's a text strip. I'm just going to move this kind of to the front on a different line. All of your settings are here though. So let me move my marker. So all of your text effects are here on the right side. Find that effect strip after you highlight it. So click on it. You can select your text, type in your shot title. You can change the size. And you can also change the location. So I'll just move that up. Move it around here. And you can see all the other options. You can change the font, etc., etc. And then you can continue to add your clips. Now to export them, we're going to go to File. And okay, scratch that. So to export your final movie, you're actually going to do the same things that you do to render an animation. So you want to take a look at your output settings. I'm going to do this in the HD TV 720p, or you can do 1280 by 720. You want to look at your output location. Just make sure you know where it's going. This is going to my desktop. And I'm going to select AVI JPEG for a movie. Now, since this animation is already rendered, this is going to go pretty quickly. It's just going to add the text and the sound. And so it should pretty much play in real time. Once you hit render animation, you should be able to watch it. Obviously, yours will be a little bit longer, so just have to wait for it. And then when it's done, you should be able to find it on your desktop. Here it is. And there's your edited movie.